Florja CRM, the intelligent garden network. In addition to Florja's vast capabilities in monitoring and streamlining plant production, and so improving the overall efficiency for the producer, Florja can also be used as a customer relationship management tool to help producers and retailers build their own garden community with customers. Let's first have a look at the concept. Our approach comprises 3 modules: the customers and their Florja sensors, the professional plant producers and retailers, and Florja's world-class CRM cloud platform. The customers pair their plants with the Florja sensors, which register them on the CRM platform of the producer. Florja sensors have embedded intelligent algorithms that automatically adjust the measurement behaviors and critical thresholds depending on the particular type of the plant the sensor is associated with, and send data onto the cloud platform. The collected internal data can be further processed and enriched with external data, and any kind of IoT application or devices can be integrated into the platform. The producer also proactively monitors the plant's performance, and the results can be communicated to the customer in 2 ways. Either automatically through the platform itself via SMS or email, or the producer addresses information to the customer directly to provide individualized advice and assistance with appropriate supplies or directions as required. As the producer receives data from thousands of plants and customers, this accumulated information can enhance customer service and best practice. Furthermore, communication approaches can be refined over time to achieve the most successful outcomes. This fully integrated concept opens the exciting potential for customer-focused activities or loyalty programs, from individual, single emergency notifications to full garden care packages for any plant, from the seeding to the full-grown shrub. Starting at the supplier, a professional plant producer can use Florja's CRM platform to optimize the supply chain as well as reduce stock and minimize stockouts. For the wholesale, during production and distribution, the producers can use Florja to monitor their plants and optimize stock keeping at store outlets, decreasing warehousing costs and losses from spoiled or lost plants. Last, but certainly not least, the producer can use Florja's CRM platform to communicate directly with his end-user customers and help them to manage and enhance their garden plants. Think of this like a producer's Facebook for plants, which allows customers to exchange ideas, experiences, and opinions, and gives the producer an easy, accessible platform to add real and imminent value to users and their gardening passion by participating in the communication themselves. This creates an immense trust and ongoing loyalty from the existing customers towards the producer, and poses a unique selling point for new customers as well. There are 2 ways customers can join the garden network community. On one hand, the producer can actively sell Florja sensors, especially as an integrated part with high-value plants, offering customers a perfectly tailor-made service. This concept could either be designed as a franchise offering, where the platform is officially operated by the producer and the sensors are white-labeled and sold under the producer's corporate identity, or Florja operates the entire system with the producers and the customers subscribing directly. On the other hand, customers can buy Florja sensors through other resale channels like Amazon and later join the community on their own free choosing. A producer's community, maybe yours, will be pre-installed on the sensors, encouraging the customers to sign up at the official garden network instead of any third-party offering. Florja can then support the interconnection with the sensors. Today, all hardware and software components of the Florja CRM system are fully developed and available for deployment, including the Florja smart sensors and their data transmission via VLAN or LoRa, the CRM platform with a special user interface for producers, and the communication module for the customers. Communicate to Integrate currently seeks a regional partner to jointly implement our Florja solution and run a production pilot. As you're acknowledged as one of the leading horticultural companies, we would be very interested to collaborate and work with you. We'll be in touch soon, but if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to contact us anytime.